With the number 7, Alexis Villegas. Apologize for the last name. Guts.
into
No, sorry
มา
about
ที่
that.
อินเทลคะแนนตอนนี้
Number 12, Rayton Smith. Number 3, Ian Michael.
เดียร์เฮาก็สอบคะแนนเฮา
Number 19, Hudson Kill. And number 18, JP Gomez. Number 10, Kessler
ตัวเฮาเพียงนั้นนำแม่คะแนน
Vargas. Number 11, Nahom Gala. Number 6, Oscar Herrera. Number 44, Ethan Ross. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's meet the starting lineup for West High Panthers.
มาเป็นบอลนะ
With the number 99, Brian Orengo. With the number 9, Christian Rodriguez. And number 10, Eric Saar. Number 34, Owen Wilson. And number 13, Dodie. Number 4, Oswaldo Maldonado. Number 18, Kaden Gertie. Number 12, Jason Amezquita. Number 22, Edgar Jauregui. Number 16, Isaac Barrios. And number 33, Aiden Vargas. Let's go Panthers!
A new player entering the field. Quick run! It's a seagull. Move on, play.
Nice, Chris. Chris. Man up.
Ai, allí lo tenía.
Check down now.
Kolpatte. Ang daw. Mama na sude. Kalau ko warlaw kan siya.
Just go around the ball.
Pessoal number 10, Sonia. Mama Jun. Kak. ด็กๆเข้ามาKanan sakto lang at yang sakto. Karol daw point call he is good Ayan. Sakto, ay, sakto. Siya Buổi trần mà. Ê. Hát trân cái lâu. Hát thầy lâu à. Buổi trần. Lu siya daw bet ko la nito. Maman boy kat apet ko la, boy trần boy kat apet ko bok. Phải boy kat con thum. Còn đi chú. One more. Tọp đó là anh sẽ thắt mày đi.
Miss those days. Guys, I respect you for sticking it through. We're gonna pass that one. I had my foot up every time I passed it. It was like, why? I wanted to, but I thought you guys hated it. Here's where I might have gotten it all mixed up. We all miss you.
Ini sombe, sama siap rồi. Lero.
Stop! I don't think.
Ngay naman sompokat si boy niya. Ito ng kay Juan, mama ka number song. Ani? Adum, number sompokat.
The fans aren't on anything. Even though you probably need their help. I'm gonna say. The boss.
Nice.
Where you
Good shot. Very accurate. Anything smaller, go.
High school. Dami call out. Minit nga daw ang taon. Cut ball to Lily. Zero.
Hello everyone, can you please join us to honor our seniors tonight, please?
Ông nhí thầy luôn, hai giờ nào cũng sợ luôn á. That was never.
The only reason I put it down is because this was 3 minutes away from me. That one started at 7. Here it starts at 8. 3 minutes away, I wake up at 8.
Voltea ng Barcelona.
We're gonna go ahead and start with Ryan Ringo, 1 year of varsity, with many appearances and 2 clean sheets. His plan after West is to continue academic and soccer career at USC. His favorite memory from West is where the team dinners and spending time with the boys. Now we're gonna go ahead with Edgar Kalegi, 1 year of varsity, 12 appearances, 1 goal, 1 assist. After West, he continued his academic and soccer career at USUE. The favorite memory was his volley score last year against Hunter. Now we're gonna go ahead with Jason Amezquita. 2 years of varsity, 24 appearances, 2 goals and 1 assist. After West, his plans to attend Salt Lake City Community College and majored in mechanics. His favorite memory is West getting yelled at by his coach. And then we have Kenny Garrity with 3 years of varsity, 43 appearances, 2 goals, 2 assists. Academic All-State for soccer. After West, he plans to attend Gonzaga in major in sports medicine. His favorite memory was winning West's first region championship in his sophomore year. Now we have On Dog. Made his varsity debut today after West. His plans is to enter the workforce. A favorite memory was playing with World Cup during practice. And then we have Dodi Makasa. 2 years of varsity, 23 appearances, 3 goals and 2 assists. After West planning to continue his academic and soccer career at USUE, the favorite memory was scoring the first goal against Granger last year. And then we have Isaac Barrios, 1 year of varsity, 7 appearances. After West, is planning on going to Stephen Jarvis Academy in England. His favorite memory is drawing the ladies. And we have Owen Wilson, 1 year of varsity, 11 appearances. Academic All-State for soccer. After West, he's planning on going to college. His favorite memory was making a debut for varsity. And now we have Osvaldo Maldonado, known as Gordon. 1 year of varsity with 6 appearances. After West, he's planning on becoming a construction project manager. His favorite memory was a bus ride back home from Roy last year. And now we have Cooper Dykes, 2 years of varsity, 12 appearances, and 1 assist. After West is attending the University of Utah, his favorite memory was celebrating the regional championship sophomore year. And now we have Eric Saar, 4 years of varsity, 39 appearances, 7 goals and 8 assists. After West, Eric will continue to pursue his soccer career at the next level. His favorite memory was winning the region title his sophomore year. And then we have Christian Rodriguez, 4 years of varsity, 41 appearances, 36 goals and 11 assists. After West, he's going to Salt College to continue his soccer economic career. His favorite memory was kicking the ball up really high in practices and getting free almost. And last but not least, we have Jorge Serrano. And I just want to thank all the seniors this year in this game also, and thank you.
เป็นทันนักคุยะนี่ตักItu ya na chọn chung tên thả đạp quý thầy dân tí này nè bên con influencer khăn rộng khăn này video te mình sẽ sắp khi nào mình rộng em ơi và bên là tan chuan cần đủ tập lại khó tăng à tiếp tục tên và in chun trà măng trà bàn bài rất nè
Hello everyone. Now we have Eric Starr, 4 years in varsity, 39 appearances, 7 goals and 8 assists. After West, Eric will continue to pursue his soccer career at the next level. His favorite memory was winning the region title.